Pipe and tube mills play a critical role in supplying high-quality products for industries such as construction, oil and gas, water distribution, automotive, infrastructure, power, and industrial engineering. From seamless and welded pipes to structural tubes, precision tubing, and hollow sections, manufacturers require precise production planning, strict quality control, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of pipe and tube manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, production planning, slitting, forming, welding, sizing, cutting, heat treatment, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize mill capacity, machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material